Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Dollar Tree and Dollar Spot DIY. So I got this little tier tray from the Dollar Spot at Target for $5. It looks like a little market stand. We're going to use supplies from the Dollar Tree to make it look like a little lemon stand, like a little market where you could buy lemons. This is a lemon DIY I did for my coffee bar for summer, and it turned out so cute. So I start with these little crates from the Dollar Tree, and I just pop one of the boards out of each one, also trying to remove any nails that might be visible after that. Basically, I wanted to have little crates that I could DIY some little miniature lemons in. So I'm going to glue the two together with a little bit of hot glue to make a wider bin that's just about the right size for that tier tray. I did get this tier tray at Target last year, so hopefully you can find something equivalent. I think it'd be pretty easy to make it with the popsicle sticks for the awning. Now I made little stands so the back of the crates would stand up higher with just some Dollar Tree little Jenga blocks, and glued three of those on, and then it's time to DIY some little miniature lemons. This is just the yellow Model Magic. You can get this at Dollar Tree. You can also get it at Dollar General for $1, so it's a little bit cheaper than Dollar Tree. And I just roll it into a ball, pinch two ends, and it makes it look like a lemon. It's so easy. I am attaching them with a dot of hot glue just because it kind of stands up in the air a little bit. I want to make sure that the lemons don't fall out. But these are like air dry. They'll air dry hard. They tend to work pretty well for DIYs. I use the Model Magic a lot. It's so easy to work with. It's almost like working with like Play-Doh material. And you can see that bright yellow color is just perfect for lemons. So I just keep making enough lemons until I get them full, and now I have a little crate full of lemons. Now we can make a stand since this is going to be like a market. So I picked up one of these pallet board signs from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use like a light blue cloudless color by acrylic. I did my coffee bar in like a light blue and yellow. I like the contrast between the blue and the yellow. And then we're going to use some of the summer decor from Dollar Tree. They have some of these fruit slices. I chose a lemon slice. If you can't find these, it'd be pretty easy to DIY. If you had something circular, it's pretty easy to paint the lemon design on there. But I'm just going to make it like a board sign. So I just use a white paint pen, and I'm just handwriting on there lemons, 50 cents, and hot gluing that little lemon to the front of our sign. This is just about the right size to fill up that bottom space on that little tier tray from a Dollar Spot. And I do want to give it a slight distress just to kind of make it go with the coastal farmhouse vibe of my house. So that looks pretty good. I'm just going to attach it with a dot of hot glue on each shelf so that it'll be easy to remove if I want to reuse this shelf for something else. So that makes the perfect front. We can put our bins of lemons on there. Really easy to do. Cute little lemon market. I've also DIY'd like a miniature lemonade stand. If you'd like to see more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.